However, the service matters pertaining to existing staff shall continue to be dealt with under the provisions of their respective cadres. First up, the LGNCD department-wide circular letter dated 15 April 2003 clarified that pensionary liabilities in respect of the above category of employees shall be shared proportionately between the respective successor TMA as per calculations worked out and PPO issued by district government in the manner prescribed in this department's notification of even number dated 23 October 2002. Copies of notifications dated 15 April 2003 and 23rd October 2002 are attached. First up, the LGNCD department-wide circular letter number dated 21 July 2004 also clarified that the powers of pension sanctioning authorities for such employees shall now be exercised by the respective appointing authorities at the district government as prescribed. Wide LGNCD department's notification dated 18 April 2002. First up, the pension sanctioning authorities prescribed earlier wide this department's letter dated 23rd October 2002 shall be deemed to have been substituted, modified to the respective extent. Copy of circular letter dated 21 July 2004 is attached. First up, in view of the aforementioned clarifications issued by the LGNCD department, it is obvious that LGNCD department has declared the education and health cadre of erstwhile urban local councils and no fresh recruitment in this cadre can be made. First up, any recruitment, if so, has been made by the respective city district governments oblique district governments against the education cadre of erstwhile urban local councils shall be considered to have been made under the respective service rules of the district governments and not under the Punjab Local Council's Servants Service Rules 1997 as the LGNCD department